Let's talk about Galileo. No, not the world-renowned astronomer. Galileo was known to be the father of modern science. Galileo Financial Technologies is the father of API and global payments processing. SoFi reported in its Q2 2021 results that one of the reasons why it had such a large loss was because of the deferred tax liability from its acquisition of Galileo. Have you ever wondered, what exactly is Galileo? And is it really going to benefit SoFi in the long run? Welcome to Wealth Gambit. On this channel, we cover financial topics, making them easy to learn and entertaining to watch. If you guys like our content or happen to gain any value, then subscribe and hit the notification bell to get posted when we drop new videos. And also, please note that we're not financial advisors, so please do your own due diligence. In this video, we'll be going over the tech beast that is Galileo, what it does, the products that it offers, and the companies that are using its products. We also included some clips of Anthony Noto talking about why Galileo is so crucial to SoFi's success, so stay tuned for that. The future is here. With all the artificial intelligence dominating the market today, Galileo Financial Technologies provides a payment processing solutions platform with fraud detection to a number of firms in the financial service industry today. Before SoFi acquired Galileo, it was actually founded over 20 years ago by Clay and Dave Wilkes. Over the past few decades, Galileo was behind some huge fintechs, and you can find clients in North America, Latin America, Canada, Europe, and Asia giving effortless aid in the complex world of payments and financial services, ripe for the disruptive technology coming from the emerging fintech of today. Galileo specializes in the secret weapon called API, or also known as Application Programming Interface, which allows different organization systems to communicate, making it easy for not only customers, but also firms and other third-party providers to integrate data in their everyday financial transactions.
The good news is we are currently going through one of the biggest transformations in financial history, the Fintech Revolution. And it's going to transform banking as we know it. Punishments, they in many cases deserved. But innovation became a very, very distant priority. But at the same time, some of the most game-changing technological innovations that have transformed the way we live have become part of our everyday life. Think about the iPhone, Airbnb, Uber, WhatsApp, or WeChat, for example. And what happened was that a gap was created between what your banks were offering you and what you as a customer came to expect, especially from a user experience and convenience perspective. And that gap is what the fintech industry is tackling right now.
This category-leading API empowers the created value given to a huge amount of customers and firms, making them lead the potential disruption of the industry, and especially with the help of rising stars like SoFi. 4 months ago, Galileo announced their new CEO, Derek White, who kicks in 20 years of expertise in the financial services, as he was formerly associated with Google Cloud and US Bank, holding executive positions while he was there. As he plans to gain international experience, Galileo Financial Technologies is now more than ready to unleash the beast that will transform the industry. Galileo is basically a global payment processing platform that offers services like debit, credit, virtual cards, securities, program management, and many more. Not only that, Galileo leverages artificial intelligence technology to detect fraud. Last year, they launched Galileo Instant, which is a fast and low-cost way of forming fintech startups and even e-commerce companies with digital payments. This makes their partner fintech firms to be one step ahead of the game against the traditional banks. Just in 2020, from 31 partner firms, it already set another record, gathering 41 new enterprises, neobanks, investment firms, and everyone else who believes in the supreme power of a financial technology company. Among them are the industry-leading players like Dave.com, Moneyline's Roar Money, Robinhood's cash management feature, and a whole lot more. And you know what? They did this in 2020 alone, along with the expansion in 7 Latin American-based companies. If they did this all in 2020, when the world was in pure chaos, imagine what they can do in 5 to 10 years. Imagine the new opportunities that Galileo would create. In April 2020, SoFi signed an agreement to acquire Galileo Financial Technologies for a total of $1.2 billion, comprising cash and stocks. Here's the SoFi CEO, Anthony Noto, talking about the powerful technology that Galileo offers.
Our experience in offering SoFi money to consumers relies on technology that's modern in the cloud, allows us to be very agile. And so, one of the primary reasons for the acquisition was being able to control that consumer experience in a unique way. But it was also about being able to build a technology platform that could be reliable for the industry. All of, SoFi, other fintech companies, we all actually face the same challenges on the back end. We have to build security protections, fraud protections, systems of record. We have to be able to provide access on a real-time basis. And it quite frankly reminds me of the e-commerce or e-retail industry in 1999 when Amazon had to build all these technologies for their own company, and then they turned around and made them available for others.
According to SoFi, in their agreement, Galileo will continue to operate as an independent subsidiary of SoFi, and their mission is to accelerate the technology roadmap needs for consumer financial offerings, as well as offering SoFi's suite of products and services to Galileo's partners who are looking to broaden their offering to better meet the needs of their customer. SoFi's financial advisors, who had helped them out with this agreement, was Goldman Sachs and Citigroup, and Wilmer Hale acted as their legal advisor. On the other hand, Galileo had sought the aid of Catalyst Partners to serve as their financial advisor and Dorsey & Whitney as their legal advisor during their agreement. The addition of Galileo strengthens SoFi's capabilities as a fintech company as it extends the reach of its products to other Galileo partners in the United States and even abroad. Galileo has partnered with fintech companies and neobanks such as mBank, BitPay, Claire, Oxygen, TransferWise, Mobility Capital Finance, Ahead Financials, Current, Coho, First Boulevard, and a lot more. Galileo has increased the accounts in its platform to 79 million in Q2 2021 from 36 million a year ago, representing a 119% increase with a total net revenue of 45.3 million, up 138% year over year compared to Q2 in 2020. It's only been a year since the acquisition took place, and the numbers are very promising. According to Jeff Currier, Chief Technology Officer at Galileo Financial Technologies, Galileo's goal is to empower banks and other businesses to create unique and compelling financial service experiences to tap into a robust set of APIs built on cloud to differentiate themselves in a hyper-competitive market. In a recent interview last week at Anthony Pompliano's business show, SoFi CEO Anthony Noto brings up some very crucial information regarding the joint force of SoFi and Galileo Financial Technologies and how it will disrupt the industry.
In Mexico, we really want to step on the gas and enable more and more financially oriented companies, both neobanks and non-neobanks, use Galileo's platform. We have a great product roadmap for Galileo. They primarily enable debit and ACH payments now with APIs that allows a developer to build a mobile financial app right on top of it. We think there are opportunities to do a host of other products that SoFi is already doing. And so we want to make those available to other companies, both neobank companies as well as large financial institutions that don't have the technology, and then large branded companies that need to be in the financial services sector.
Galileo is SoFi's secret sauce. Anthony Noto and his management's decision to acquire Galileo is one of the best moves SoFi has ever done so far. Why? Acquiring Galileo links SoFi to a lot more neobanks and other fintech companies out there. Galileo serves as the door that opens a lot more opportunities to SoFi. That about wraps up today's video, guys. If you found any value in this video, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. What are your thoughts on Galileo? Comment down below and stay tuned for our next videos because we'll give a shout out to the best comment. Until next time, peace.